Hi, it's Nina. Well, hello and welcome again on Now I Know channel. And today's video, we're going to talk about how to copy and share YouTube channel link. So let's get started. So first, after getting the application, go to the search box and enter the channel's name. After that, tap on the search icon. Sometimes the channel you looked for won't appear. For example, here, the channel I was searching for didn't appear. So tap on these three dots up here, then choose filters. And in type, choose channel. Now tap on apply. And here it is. Now tap on these three dots. After that, tap on share and choose copy link. So like that, your link is copied. And this is it. This is how to copy and share YouTube channel link. Thanks for watching. See ya.